Here is a special message from the National Weather Service, for the following counties, in Virginia, Brunswick and Sussex. The flood warning continues for the Mehuron River at Lawrenceville affecting Brunswick County, and the Nodaway River near Stony Creek affecting Sussex County. For the Chowan Basin, including Lawrenceville, Seabrill, Emporia, Rawlings, Stony Creek, Franklin minor flooding is forecast. Motorists should not attempt to drive around barricades or drive cars through flooded areas. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Additional information is available at www.weather.gov. The next statement will be issued late tonight by 3:30 a.m.